I'm here at the 75th annual convention for SMACNA, and I am lucky enough to have Nathan Dills here with me. Nathan is president of ACP Sheet Metal in Oklahoma City, and Nathan is on the eve of becoming SMACNA's president. And Nathan, what is it like to be the president in the 75th anniversary year? And do you find that to be a challenge or a blessing?
I think it's both. The challenge is looking forward as to where we go from here. But the benefit is you've got 75 years of history to draw from. So I think building on the 75-year history, the future is bright. And I think there's amazing things in store for SMACNA and its contractors.
So in the future, and especially looking to your year here, you're going to be traveling the country a lot. You've already started doing that to some degree. What do you see as some of the important issues to SMACNA as we look forward to, beyond the next year, but even into, 75 years going forward?
I think one of the biggest things is technology. We all know that technology changes so fast. When you think back to 10 years ago when the first iPhone came out, and we all wonder what we did before the iPhone or the Android or a smartphone. And so things have been just coming lightning fast in the area of technology. We all know that when you buy a computer today, it's already out of date. There's already a bigger, faster, better one in production or being developed. That same thing stands true for our equipment. So what came out a year ago, somebody's already working on something that is better, faster, and more productive than what we have, whether it be a similar model or one that has got complete new technology in it that cuts a different way from a plasma, so to say, or going to a laser, something like that. So technology has always got to stay on the forefront of our minds. Secondly is the manpower shortage that we've all experienced across the country, and it's not just our industry, it's every industry. And so we need to look at how we can attract people to our industry, but also we need to look at how we retain those people and what do we do when the baby boomers start retiring. We've heard for 10 or 12 years now that the baby boomers at some point in time are going to retire. And do we have a workforce that can step in to fill those shoes? So in our company, we have started a mentorship program where we're taking senior level people and identifying younger leaders and having them mentored so that when the senior staff decides to retire and they walk out the door, they don't take their knowledge and experience with them. They've passed that along. So mentorships is going to be something that's very big. The student chapters that SMACNA National has tried to get started, I want to see those rolled out this year. In a way that we can attract younger, bright people into the industry.
That's you were one who were attracted to the industry. You had a career in the legal profession, and I know through family connections, at least you came back to the trades. But can you see someone from other professions, maybe not legal, but some of the other professions out there, engineering, et cetera, come into the trades?
Absolutely. There is a lot of mechanical, electrical that goes along with what we do every day. And so that is a huge pool for us to go look for bright individuals to come into the industry, whether it be engineering, architecture. Any of those things could be attracted to the trades very easily. We have a lot to offer those types of people with the CAD systems where we're drawing and doing a lot of stuff through the computer. And we need those mechanical engineers, those architects that have spent college time utilizing those technologies.
And what excites you in technology in your shop?
Since I was a little kid, I liked building stuff. I was the kid that played with the erector set that liked to see the pulleys and the machines and the motors work. So in the shop, I love seeing a coil line take a 10,000-pound coil and cut sheets and then form it into a piece of ductwork coming off the end. I like seeing the plasma table, how it nests to get the least amount of waste and watch it cut. I love to see what the craftsman can do in the shop. And we've got to keep them just covered in technology because one, they eat it up, but two, it makes us more productive. And by being more productive, we become more competitive. And so there is a lot of things that I get excited about when I walk in the shop, and when I have people that come visit, we take them into the shop, and I'm just amazed at the machines that we have, whether it be a water jet, whether it be a plasma, whether it be a coil line. It's just fun to watch.
So what area do you think needs technology that hasn't gotten it yet? Any part?
I think that we can advance some of the round ductwork. The automation is there to make the ductwork, but it's not quite there in my mind for the other things that we have to do when we install it, like cutting in taps or whatever. And it's just been a little bit slow in my mind on the technology side. The rectangular duct, the coil lines spit duct off pretty quick. Plasmas cut stuff pretty quick. We just haven't found the way to get the round duct to that same level in my mind.
Well, great. Thank you so much for being here.
You betcha.
And congratulations on presidency, which is about to start.
Thank you.
And here's to a great year. I look forward to working with you all year.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.